Hey guys, it's Mr. Davis. In this video, we are going to talk about distributing multiply, and we're just going to go through a few practice problems. My big hint for you is to rewrite the problem after each step. It makes it much easier if you go one step at a time, then rewrite to see where you're at. All right, let's get going. Here's our first problem. This problem says 3 times the group 2x plus 5 equals 27. So if you watch the other videos, you should have an idea of how this works. But just in case, I'm going to go through to show you all of it and teach a mini lesson. If you don't need this lesson, you can skip ahead and just try to solve the problem. So let's see, 3 times the group. See this type of parentheses we see here, this curl, it's called, when we say it, it's called grouping. So it's the group. This operation groups things together. So what this problem really says is that I've got 3 groups of 2x plus 5. I've got 3 groups of them. So I've got 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, and 2x plus 5. I've got 3 groups of that, and they work together to make 27. Well, 2x plus 5, 3 times, right? So 2x plus 2x plus 2x, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, 6x. 2x plus 2x plus 2x is 6x. So I've got 6x. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. And that equals 27. You see, there's a shortcut that we can take, though. Rather than doing this addition, I can just multiply. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 5 is positive 15. You see, instead of adding over and over and over, I can use multiply to speed up my math. Once you've done that, the problem actually is fairly simple. I'll get rid of the plus 15 by subtracting 15 from both sides. 6x equals 12. I'll divide both sides by 6, and I get the answer, x equals 2. Let's have you try it now. All right, this problem says 2 times the group 5x plus 1 equals 32. Hit pause and try the problem. Hit play when you're ready to check your answer. Okay, here we go, guys. I've got 2 groups of 5x plus 1. So I've got 2 times 5, which is 10x. And I've got 2 times 1, which is 2, positive 2. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all I do. I don't have 2 groups of 32, just 2 groups of 5x plus 1. So my 32 can just come on down, and I can now solve my problem. The opposite of plus 2 is minus 2 from both sides. Rewrite 10x equals 30. The opposite of times 10 is divide 10 from both sides. X equals 3 is my answer. Good job. All right, try this problem, which says 4 times the group negative 3x plus 1 equals negative 56. Hit pause, hit play when you're ready to check your answer. All right, here I've got 4 groups of negative 3x plus 1. So 4 times negative 3x and 4 times 1. 4 times negative 3x is negative 12x. If you're struggling with your multiplies when there's a negative, just use your calculator. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 4 times positive 1 is positive 4. And that equals negative 56. Let's finish it up. The opposite of plus 4 is minus 4 from both sides. Negative 12x equals, and again I can use my calculator, negative 56 minus 4 is negative 60. Divide both sides by negative 12. Those go away. X equals, let's see, negative divided by negative is positive. 60 divided by 12 is 5. So x is positive 5. Now if you don't want to write that plus sign, you don't have to. But if you do write that plus sign, it's not wrong. That is completely up to you. All right, one more problem on this video. This problem, I'm not going to say out loud. Let's see if you can do it. Hit play when you're ready. Okay, this problem says negative 2 times the group x minus 3 equals negative 14. So I've got negative 2 times x. Now there's no number in front of that x. If ever there's a letter by itself, we can put a 1 in front of it. So that means negative 2 times 1x. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So I've got negative 2x. And then I've got negative 2 times negative 3, which is positive 6. And that equals negative 14. From here, the problem's easy. The opposite of plus 6 is minus 6. That goes away. Negative 2x equals negative 20. The opposite of times negative 2 is divide by negative 2. X equals positive 10 is the answer. Good job, guys, on this practice. Keep going. You're doing a great job. I'm proud of you.